What's up, guys? This is Dave for Dream and Travel Company, and we are officially D23 members. So I'm super stoked about it. Mollee found, I don't even think it was a deal, but it was $99.99 for the single plan, and then I think one $29.99 for the duo plan. We'll look at that in a bit here on my computer. But we are officially members, and what I'm really excited about is that they have a collector's set that they're including with this. So I'm super pumped about that. It even includes a vinyl record, which I've just started to collect some vinyl, and I'm so excited about this one. And the pennant flag. We actually have a pennant flag for Figment. It's an Epcot one we got maybe 3 years ago with Figment on there, so I'm gonna add that to the collection as well. We'll have an unboxing whenever we get that in the mail, but let's go ahead and get to the website. Let me show you what they have real quick. And I'm going to throw a link in the description also for a post we put up on the website. So let's go get into this. Okay, guys, so this is actually our website right here for the D23 Gold Member Collector Set. You can go to the site, you can go to our site, and you can actually go to the link I have provided in the site so that you can go visit the D23 to see everything that comes with that collector set. So right now it's a 2021 D23 Gold Member Collector Set, celebrating 50 most magical years of the Walt Disney World Resort. Look at this stuff that comes with it. Let's go down here. Okay, so you get this D23 Vacation Kingdom lunchbox. Looks like it's from 1973. This is prior to even me. So this is cool. This is fun. This is cool to add up on a shelf. I don't think we're actually going to use this or let the kids play with it, but you know, it's going to go on a Disney shelf somewhere in our place. You also get the Florida Fab 5 pin set. Looks like it comes with the Figment, Country Bear Jamboree, the robot, I forgot his name. I think he is in Future World or Tomorrowland. I'm not even sure what this guy is right here. Is that the Yeti? I think that is a Yeti from Mount Everest. And then our little orange bird, I forgot his name. But yeah, Orange Bird, that's his name right here, Orange Bird. So yeah, these look vintage as well. I'm super pumped about all the vintage looking stuff that comes with this. And then this is so cool. The D23 official Disney fan club pennant. This, oh man, I can't wait to get this and put this up on our wall with our Figment one. Because our Figment one is actually an old school looking one too. So this is exciting. And then my favorite, man, I wonder if this is a big one or if it's a little, oh, it looks like it's a small one. It says this exclusive 7-inch disc features the 1971 classic Bear Band Serenade from Country Bear Jamboree. And then Nothing Can Stop Us Now from Mickey Minnie's Runaway Railway. That's amazing on the other side of it. So I have a small record player, by the way. My little, you know, it's one of those briefcase ones. So I'm definitely going to try this out. I'm almost fearful that I might ruin it or something. So, but I definitely want to listen to it. I think it's going to be cool. And then the last piece you get with this, with the collector set, is the Walt Disney World News 2021 edition. So 2021, better year than better. It has to be better than 2020. So I think there's going to be a lot of cool stuff hopefully happening this year with Disney World, with Disney in general. So we'll just have to wait and see, but I'm pumped. I'm hopeful about it. Things are going to get good. And then there's a lot of other stuff you get too with the membership. If you actually go down to the bottom, say, hey, I want to join the club. It kind of gives you the plan. Here's the plan. You have the individual plan that I mentioned earlier and the duo plan. $99, $100 for one, $130 for the other one. The main difference between these two is, of course, $30, $30 for the duo plan, but it gives you access for 2 people. So you get 2 personalized gold member cards and gold member certificates, 2 D23 Gold Member to virtual and in-person events. So hopefully there's going to be some in-person events once we get everything under control with the virus and everything, because that would be so much fun to go to. I've never been to an in-person or virtual D23 event. So I'm really hoping that Mollee and I get to do some of these this year. Oh man, I just can't wait. And then access to 2 D23 Gold members to special D23 Gold offers. So that's the main difference between the $100 one and the $130 one is instead of 1, you get 2. And then within both of these packages, you have the 2021 D23 Gold Member Collector Set that we just went over. And then you also get the 1 annual subscription, 4 issues to Disney 23 publications. So I can't wait. I can't wait. I don't know how long it takes for us to get this. I need to ask Molly, but we just ordered it this week. So hopefully pretty soon, hopefully within a couple, maybe a month or so, we'll see what happens. But anyways, that's it, guys. I just wanted to give you a quick update that we are now D23 members. I'm super pumped about it. Can't wait for it. I can't wait for that collector set. And we will have an unboxing here on the channel of that collector set so we can look at all the cool stuff, play that record, see what that music sounds like. And that's it. That's it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like, that helps our channel up. Oh, you can't see my thumb. Hit the like, that helps the channel out. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And if you have subscribed, thank you for subscribing. We appreciate it. We should appreciate you guys watching this, and we'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.